the cost of renting a carpet cleaner is $52 for the first day and $26 for each additional day. Which of the following functions gives the cost C of D in dollars of renting the carpet cleaner for D days, where D is a positive integer? So we have a carpet cleaner, and the first day cost is $52. And then after the first day, it costs $26 every day. And we're told that we're renting this carpet cleaner for D days. So that means the first day, the cost is $52. But then the next days, the cost is $26 every day. So that means the first day is going to be $52, but then D minus 1 days, it's going to cost $26 each day. Because if you subtract 1 from D, you'll get the number of days after the first day. So that means our equation for representing the total cost, C of D, is going to be $52 for the first day, plus the cost of each day after times the total number of days at that new cost. So the first day is just $52, and then D minus 1 days, which is all the days after the first day, it's going to cost $26 every day. So this is our equation that gives us the total cost for renting for D days. But let's simplify this distribution of 26 here. So we have C of D equals 52 plus 26 times D. So that's just 26D. And then 26 times negative 1, that's minus 26. So then we can combine like terms. So 52 minus 26, that's equal to 26. And then we just have 26D plus 26D. So this is our final cost equation. And if you look at the answer choices, this is equivalent to answer choice A.